Ever wondered how a for loop works in JavaScript? Today we're diving deep into this fundamental coding concept. In the world of JavaScript, a for loop is akin to a workhorse. It tirelessly executes a block of code, repeating the process for a predetermined number of times. This construct, as versatile as it is dependable, comprises three optional parts. These are initialization, condition, and iteration. They're enclosed in parentheses and separated by semicolons, like a trio of code performing a synchronized dance. Let's examine the syntax. For initialization, condition, iteration. First, there's the initialization. Think of this as the starting point, the green light that sets the loop in motion. Typically, it's here that we initialize a counter variable. Next, we have the condition. This is the lifeblood of the loop. As long as this condition holds true, the loop keeps executing. If the loop encounters a false condition from the get-go, it won't execute at all. It's a strictly by-the-book operation. Finally, we have the iteration. This segment of the loop springs into action after each loop cycle. It often updates the counter variable or carries out other necessary operations. Now onto some examples. Consider a simple iteration from 0 to 4. For let I equals 0, I5 at plus plus. Here, let I equals 0 initializes the loop counter variable I at 0. I5 is the condition. As long as I is less than 5, the loop keeps going. I++ is the iteration incrementing I by 1 after each cycle. What about iterating over an array? Const array equals, for let I equals 0 array.length I++. Here, let I equals 0 again sets the counter variable I to 0. I.array.length is the condition. The loop continues as long as I is less than the length of the array. I+ increments I by 1 after each iteration, while array accesses each element of the array using the loop counter I. Lastly, let's look at nested loops. For let I, I3, I+. In this example, we have a nested for loop. The outer loop iterates over I from 0 to 2, and for each value of I, the inner loop iterates over j from 0 to 2, resulting in a total of 9 iterations. Output. In conclusion, a for loop in JavaScript is a key tool in any programmer's arsenal. Initialization sets the stage, condition dictates the duration, and iteration provides the progression. From simple iterations to complex nested loops, the for loop is a reliable workhorse, ready to take on any task. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy coding!